Hi, hello. I'm currently enrolled in the AAT Level 2 course. My name is Marlena. I'm 35 years old and live in Dorset. I'm a wife and the mother of a 9-year-old daughter. At the beginning of my life in the UK, my professional career didn't progress much as I was focused on raising my child. However, now that my daughter is getting older, I feel it's the right time to develop my career path, something I've always wanted to do. I've always been interested in accounting. Back in Poland, I completed a degree in finance and accounting, but I found that the knowledge I gained there doesn't fully translate to the UK system. That's why I decided to purchase AAT qualification so that I can understand and work efficiently within the British accounting system. Currently, I work in a small accountancy office where I am responsible for office management and bookkeeping. This job has been a huge motivation for me to purchase the AAT course. I would like to take on more advanced responsibilities in the future and grow into a more senior role within the same workplace. By completing the course, I hope to bring new value to the company and contribute more meaningful to our services. I choose to study with A Careers because it was recommended to me by my colleagues. So far, I think the learning journey has been very informative. There is a lot of materials available on the platform, but I personally prefer to start with the textbook. I'm a visual learner, so I often highlight important sections and take notes directly in the book. The online platform is a great complement to that. It helps me revise and check my understanding through quizzes and summaries. I haven't had many interactions with customer support, but whenever I have contacted them, I received clear and helpful responses. I would appreciate a bit more clarify on the next steps in the course, especially regarding how and when to book the final exam. More guidance on the topic would be really helpful. Overall, I'm happy with the course platform. I really like the ability to track my progress and the fact that each section includes plenty of self-assessment opportunities along the clear answer keys. It helps reinforce my learning in a structured way. I would definitely recommend e-careers on a training provider. The combination of textbook learning and online resources makes me a comprehensive experience, and the student support has been reliable and professional.